Folding bicycles are an extremely convenient and versatile option that's been growing in popularity. They're ideal for anyone who has a studio apartment with limited storage space, or those who live upstairs and need to take several flights of steps. It's a great solution not just for those with limited storage space, but others who like to commute to work or just love the fun of cycling. It also mixes transport modes, and these compact collapsible bikes make traveling so much easier, especially for those who live in urban areas. With that being said, stay tuned as we bring you our top 5 picks of folding bicycles available in the market. Whether you need the best of the best or just the most affordable option, we'll relay all of these items for you. If you want to find the best prices and more information about the products mentioned in our videos, you can check the link in the description below. And now, let's start. At number 1 is the Retrospec Judd folding bike. Enjoy the convenience of taking this bike anywhere you want and being able to store it even in the most cramped places. Convenience isn't the only thing that this bike can offer. The way it's constructed and designed, it can give you a smooth ride and provide easy handling when you're cruising down the street. It boasts 20-inch wheel size that gives the bike a faster acceleration, allowing you to gain more speed in a shorter amount of time with minimal effort. Plus, it has an incredible grip that lets you ride the streets regardless of what the weather is, thanks to the Commuter tires. The Retrospec Judd has a lightweight aluminum frame, so you can literally carry it anywhere with ease. The bike even has a rear hub coaster brake, which basically eliminates any shifting or braking cables usually found on a bike. This makes it a lot easier to fold, which is especially useful when you're in a rush. No need to worry about shifters and proper gear arrangement, as this is designed for ergonomic folding thanks to its portable handlebar tube, top tube, and pedals. If you're looking for a light bike with less maintenance, then this is going to suit your taste. This bike is great for those looking for a minimalist, efficient design. At number 2 is the Zizzo by the Yuri Mini Campo. Go ride steep up hills without even breaking a sweat with this compact bicycle. This bike provides an extremely comfortable ride thanks to its telescopic seat post that you can easily adjust to your own setting. It not only lets your body be in a relaxed position, but it allows you to have more power over the pedals. Thanks to Zizzo's 7-speed gear shifting capability, you can ride very steep climbs with ease and go the distance as fast as possible. Its grip shifters also provide smooth and accurate shifting, making sure you won't have any problem while riding. The versatile bike is equipped with a front and rear V-brake, which can give you the optimal stopping power needed. It also gives you decent modulation to regulate your speed while riding on downhill slopes. It's designed with foldable handlebars and a magnetic frame that lets you save storage space so you can place your bike even in the tightest areas. Pressing through heavy traffic can become a breeze with its 20-inch wheels. The versatility of these smaller wheels help you create tighter turns when a car is filling the road and decreases the time you need to reach your destination. With this, there's no way that you're going to end up late to any event. Overall, this is a great bike for people who are looking for a folding bike that can give them a good amount of speed and convenience to ride around both in tight spaces and steeper slopes. So what do you think of our first 2 choices? Well, we have more to come. But before we proceed, we'd like to take the opportunity to ask you to join our growing community. Kindly subscribe to our channel and then click the bell icon to be notified of our upcoming videos. And now let's continue. At number 3 is the Volano Urbana folding bike. If you're looking for a comfortable, versatile commuter bike, then this is the ride for you. The Volano Urbana offers a quick-release bracket system that allows you to break it down and set it up again in a matter of seconds. Compared to other types of folding bikes, this definitely saves you time and effort when assembling. It also has a coaster rear brake and single-speed system. This means there's no need for you to manually adjust any brake cables or shifters. It requires little to no maintenance and say goodbye to mechanical problems. The lightweight alloy design of the bike makes it easy for you to carry it around. It weighs only 21 pounds, making it one of the lightest bikes available out there. The Volano also comes in different colors, so you can personalize the bike to your own preference. You can choose from either gray, matte black, or white. It has a telescopic seat post, so you're able to adjust it for your comfort level, and having a bike that fits can actually give you more efficient pedaling power. It doesn't just provide comfort, but it also helps you go faster. This bike is great for urban commuters who are always in a rush and hate traffic. If you seem to always be in a hurry and are keen to store your ride as fast as possible, you might want to keep an eye on this one. We always look forward to seeing what you think, so don't hesitate to write down your comments and suggestions below. And now let's check out our last two products. At number 4 is the Ibuki Flex mountain bike. This versatile bike can take you off-roading or just around the block without having to worry one bit about where to store it. With its durable full suspension frame packed with comfort shock absorption, you can ride tough terrains with ease. It also has a lightweight aluminum frame, making it easier to carry whenever you need. The Ibuki Flex bike has 21 speed shifting system that provides enough options for you to properly gear up when tackling different terrain. Whether it's mud, creeks, sand, or just the road, this bike has it all. It also has front and rear disc braking system, which provides added safety. This is great for when you need to make a sudden stop or if you want to modulate your speed while going on descents. It's also fitted with a quick release clamp that allows easy and quick folding. It enables you to stow it in a corner or even in your car and bring it anywhere you want. Equipped with unique 26-inch wheels, you'll be sure this bike can handle even rocky terrains with ease due to the larger surface area. These tires also provide better grip and can take on different types of landscape. This folding mountain bike is perfect for those who like to go on rough roads and explore nature, yet would also like to use the same ride when hitting the road. It's a powerful bike that's also convenient to store, even in the smallest spaces. At number 5 is the Schwinn Loop folding bike. Schwinn has been known to let people experience the confidence and freedom of riding. If you're particularly looking for a bike that's perfect for urban cycling, you'll definitely enjoy this one. It features a heavy-duty steel frame that not only offers durability, but provides exceptional convenience as well. It boasts its ultra-compact storage configuration that easily folds up so you can tuck it away even when you have limited space. Have the advantage of a smoother gear change with its Shimano 7-speed twist shifters. With these, you'll never get to experience any of those sudden chain jumps. The bike also offers front and rear linear pull brakes, which provide the needed amount of stopping power in order to be safe and secure out there on the road. With its 20-inch alloy wheels and fast-rolling tires, you'll be able to cruise around town smoothly with less effort in pedaling. You can even accelerate faster compared to larger wheeled bikes. What's also convenient with this bike is that it includes a rear carrier that has a detachable heavy-gauge nylon bag. It allows for easy storage for whatever you need to bring along when you're traveling. Schwinn Loop provides a sleek, easy ride for those commuters who love the value of independence and would love to comfortably bring things with them. This folding bike brings the A-game for a convenient ride. And there you have it, the top 5 folding bikes out there. Whichever one you choose to get based on your needs and preferences, we hope you found our list helpful. If you found something you like, just check out the link in the description box to catch that item at its best offer. Also, let us know if there's a product you have in mind that you'd like to see in an upcoming video. Write your comments and suggestions, and our research team will get to work to give you a fair and square product review. Stay up to date with our latest videos by tapping the bell icon, and to become part of the growing online community, subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll get the chance to watch even more videos. That's all for today. Thank you all for watching the ReviewTube channel.